Hi friends, I'm Manushi. In our daily life, we are very boring with the technology explanations, other things. Today, we are going to learn about history of Java. Uh, we are going actually in our daily lives, we must see all that every time Java is a part of that technology. In earlier days, we use some mobiles like Samsung or new mobile. You downloaded one game, and at the starting of that game it shows one symbol, cup of coffee symbol. That's the Java language. So we very well know about that one. So today we are going to know about what is the history of Java and how the Java language comes out, who prepared that one, and how much effective in the world today. Uh, Actually, the Java language is released in 1995. Today is 2016. It's still established in the market as a superior technology in all the programming languages. At every position, every situation, who comes out from the colleges, all the students prefer to learn Java first. Then they are learn other technologies. So that's much important for Java in our daily lives. So today I will explain history of Java. The Java language is prepared by James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Norton. At the 1991, it's a university project. James Gosling has a project at his final stage of university life. He he designed one language for the project purpose. The main target is to design the language for cable connection. But the technology is too advanced for the it's suitable not only for the cable network. So the people decided to use for internet purpose also. This happens after 1995. In the 1991, it's a flapped university project. The university is Stanford University of Network. Today we call it as Sun Microsystems, right? So, so it's a flapped university project, and they know the people who designed this one. It's going to be very big project. So they took it's a private project after completion of their university life and get help from the professors and design a powerful language and released in 1995. Actually, Java is originally designed for interactive television, but it was too advanced for the digital cable television industry at the time. The language was initially called Oak after an oak tree that stood outside Closing's office. Actually, at one point they decided to put Oak as a name of language because in Stanford University of Network there may be a lot of oak trees. So they ready to put the name of tree as a technology language name. But after some time they decided to put Java as technology name because they thought by the drinking of Java tea only they complete that technology design. So they thought like this. Yeah, we are drinking a cup of tea. That's why we completed this designing of technology. So they decided to put Java as name of the technology. And at one certain time, it's called as a green team also. The Java development team called themselves as a green team because it's a green project. And Stanford University of Network is a very green uh, scenario. It's covered by the green trees. It's covered by the green land. So that's why at certain time the team called by other people it as a green team, and the project is green project at the university level. Gosling designed Java with a C or C++ style syntax that system and application programmers would find familiar. Sun Microsystem released the first public implementation as Java 1.0 in 1995. It promises white ones run anywhere. Yeah, friend, this is the wonderful thought, and this word attracts all the world and make them stand to see the technology which is coming out from the Sun Microsystem. The word is write once, run anywhere. This is the Java slogan, and this is the main motto and main rule to design Java. Yes, we can write anywhere the Java code, but we can run that code on any system. That's why the Java called as an independent language. So providing no cost runtimes on popular platforms. Clearly, the language is very secure and featuring comfortable configurable security. It's allowed network and file access restrictions. Major web browsers soon incorporated the ability to run Java applets within web pages, and Java quickly became popular while mostly outside of the browser. That wasn't the original plan. In January 2016, Oracle announced that Java runtime environment based on JDK9 will discontinue the browser plugins. Then this is a very rare scenario, and we may see that one also in the future. And uh, Java is a very general purpose, class based, object oriented, platform independent, portable, architecturally neutral, multi-threaded, dynamic, distributed, portable and robust interpreted programming language. Why the Java is called a general purpose? So I have an answer for that. Java capabilities are not limited to any specific application domain. Rather, it can be used in various application domains, and hence it is called general purpose programming language. Because the explanation about this thing is just in our daily lives at everywhere we are using coffee machines, we are using mobiles, we are using uh, speaker devices, we are using bike signaling systems and cable systems. In everywhere we use Java. That's why it's called as general purpose and class based. And the next thing is class based. Why it's called as a class based? Java is class based or oriented programming language, which means Java supports inheritance feature of object oriented programming language. This is this is one of the features of Java. So we can explain in the next session features of Java, right? So just keep the point, keep notice this point: class based and object oriented. This follows object orientation. Actually, we have two type of technologies: procedure oriented and object oriented. In a for example, procedure oriented technologies are C, C++, or the procedure oriented. Object oriented example is Java. Yes, I will explain this one also in features of Java. And platform independent. Just now we discussed one thing. It's a platform independent. Just we can use at anywhere, at any on at any softwares. For example, we use Linux system, Windows system, and Mac system. Majorly, these are the OSs we are using mainly in our technologies. I mean, most of the companies are also using these three: Mac, Linux, Windows. So we can run on any OS. That the I have explanation for that. Java code will run on any JVM. JVM, this is the major one in Java. Java Virtual Machine. Literally, you can run same Java code on Windows JVM, Linux JVM, Mac JVM, or any other JVM. Practical and get same result every time. See, this is the hierarchy. This one, yeah. This is our Java language. Yes, I wrote some code of Java, and I can run on any OS like Windows, Linux, Mac by using the particular JVMs: Windows JVM, Linux JVM, Mac JVM. At downloading stage, we see some files according to the OS technologies. Yes, we selected Windows Cross 64. This is related to Windows OS, and we have a different type of setup files for Linux, Mac. At the downloading stage itself, we can select those and download, install those technologies in a particular OS system. According to the OS, we should select the setup file of Java, and by using a particular related OS JVM, we can run the Java code on any system. Just for example, I write a code in Windows system. Yeah, that code can be executable on Linux JVM. I can get same result, which result is getting in Windows system. The same result I will get on Linux system also, and Mac system also. So that's the platform independent. The slogan, I would like to remind that one: write once, run anywhere. WORA, WORA. Just remember this one: write once, run anywhere. According to the slogan, this became as a platform independent. And next one is architecture neutral. Yes, because Java code is not dependent upon processor architecture. A Java application compiled on 64 architecture of any platform will run on 32-bit system without any issue. And the next one is multi-threading. A thread in Java refers to an independent program. Java supports multi-thread, which means Java is capable of running many tasks simultaneously, sharing the same memory. Yes, it's a multi-threading. The multi-threaded concept is one of the most important concepts in Java. Not only in Java, for example, we are using Facebook accounts. Facebook is one application, web application, and nearly some millions of people are accessing their Facebook accounts in a single minute of time. So it allowed by only multi-thread concept. Yes, we will discuss about in future videos. Dynamic, and next one is dynamic. Java is dynamic programming language, which means it executes many programming behavior at runtime and don't need to be passed at compile time, as in the case of static programming. Yes, it's a little bit confusing one. Yes, in the futures of Java language, I will explain this one. Distributed. For example, This one is distributed. The example now I'm going to explain one example is related to distributed concept. We have a server in our India, and we have a server in US. We have a server in somewhere else in like China, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, whatever it may be. The local system, if we enter one query in search box and click onto the search button, and the client means our system. It throws one request to the server, and actually the first motto is to search in local servers, local databases, and then it goes to another server. Just see, if we are using only one server throughout the world, it's very difficult in its time taking process to search a particular topic on websites. So our people follows distributed concept for that. And India servers, the people who are importing, exporting topics and contents, their contents in the Indian server, and American people insert their contents into the American server. When if I want to get some concepts, I get some information about particular topic, and it will be available on US. And the distributed concept creates large space and large scope and to search concepts, and it reduces the time taking process. It reduces time consumption to search particular topic, and we can store more number of contents in databases. So that's the concept of distributed portable. The Java program, when compiled, produced bytecodes. Bytecodes are magic. These bytecodes can be transferred via network and can be executed by any JVM. Hence came the concept of write once, run anywhere. Actually, a Java program is portable because the code, here we follow one rule. Code is written in our English language, and that code going to be compiled. At the compile time, the code is converted into the bytecode. That is a Java specific code. A bytecode. All our missions are know only one language, that is mission language, called as a byte coding, and Java is converted into byte coding language at the time of compilation. So the bytecode language can run any systems, run any on system. For example, I write a Java code and the name is hello world.java. Here why I mentioned .java. All the Java code class names has are ended with .java extension. It's a mandatory one. If you put .java only, the JVM finds it's a Java language file. So don't forget to put .java file for the Java coding classes. So after compilation of one dot class file is created automatically. Just I will show one example for that for your understanding purpose. Just a simple example. and I'm going to save this code and stores name directory, and the file name should be same as class name. And these are the rules I will explain in future videos. This it's saved in that one, and now I'm going to execute the Java code which we written just now. And I forget to explain how to execute one code. And our Java codes are executing on command prompt. So we have to open command prompt, and there we can execute the code. The execution code rules are: first we call javac. By using this command, we tested how the Java is installed or not in our system. And the javac, we should use this word when we are going to execute or we are going to compile a Java code. Javac hello world.java. Yeah, it's compiled. If any problems in our code, it will show here compile and problems. And next, Java hello world. Yeah, it's executed. See the hello world here. See, I compiled this one by using javac command, and now we are going to the place. Here we can see the hello world class, and see, if I open this one, it's in our English language. We can read this one. And now I'm going to open the .class file. Yeah, is that understandable language? This is a machine language. It's a bytecode language. So we cannot read this one. Why it's coming unnecessary modular things, some strings. I didn't write this one. So our compilation time, the .java file is converted into the bytecode format, and that bytecode stored with .class file extension, .class name extension, and we can run the .class file on any system. So it's independent language now. So we can run that one on any system. And next one is robust. Java is robust programming language, which means it can cope with error while the program is executing, as well as keep operating with abnormalities to a certain extent. Automatic garbage collection, strong memory management, exception handling, and type checking further adds to the list. And next one is interpretation. Java is compiled programming language which compiles the Java program into Java bytecode. This JVM is then interpreted to run the program. Other than the above discussed features, there are few other remarkable features like security and simple syntax, high-level programming language, and high performance, like that. So now we are entering into the Java releases. Initially, Java versions 1.0 and 1.1 was released in the year 1996 for Linux, Solaris, Mac, and Windows OS. Java version 1.2, company called as Java 2, was released in the year 1998. Java version 1.3, codename Kestrel, was released in the year 2000. And at every version of Java, they are giving one basic name. Java version 1.4 codename is Merlin, was released in the year 2002. Java version 1.5 or Java Standard Edition SE codename Tiger, and the Tiger name is most popular in all early releases of Java. Was released in the year 2004, and Java SE6 or Java version 1.6 Mustang. This is the codename. Was released in the year 2006. Java version 1.7 Java Standard Edition 7 codename Dolphin was released in the year 2011, and Java version 1.8 is the current stable release which was released this year 2015, and fibers which were taken into consideration while developing a Java. Okay, keep it simple, familiar, and object-oriented. Keep it robust and secure. Keep it objective neutral and portable. Executable with high performance. Interpreted, threaded, and dynamic. Why we call it Java 2, Java 5, or Java 6, Java 7, and Java 8, not their actual version number 1.2, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, and 1.8. Actually, Java 1.0 and 1.1 were Java. When Java 1.2 was released, it had a lots of changes, and marketers or developers wanted a new name, so they call it Java 2. Remove the numeric before decimal. There was not the condition when Java 1.3 and Java 1.4 were released, hence they were never called Java 3 and Java 4, but they were still Java 2. When Java 5 was released, once again it was having a lots of changes for the developer or marketers and need a name. The next number in the sequence was 3, but calling Java 1.5 as Java 3 was confusing, hence a decision was made to keep the naming as per version number, and till now the legacy continues. And places which are used Java. Java is implemented over a number of places in modern world. It's implemented as standalone application, web application, enterprise application, and mobile application, games, smart card, embedded systems, robotics, desktop, and etc. Yeah, this is the history of Java. Thank you, friend. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and give some comments below the video to improve my skills in the explanation and technologically. Thank you very much.